I am Ranjan Sahay from Asansol. In my previous video, I have shared with you regarding excretion and osmoregulation. I have already taught what is meant by excretion and what is meant by osmoregulation. Now next video is which now I am going to start is nature of the waste products. Nature of the waste products that I am writing here on the blackboard so that you could understand. Nature of the waste products or types of waste products which need to be excreted out of the body. You have to know what are the types of waste product which need to be eliminated out of the body. So that type of waste product I am writing here so that you could understand. First here, respiratory waste. Second is nitrogenous waste. Third is bile pigments. Fourth is NaCl, sodium chloride, water and vitamins. NaCl, water and vitamins. These are the types of waste products. These are the list of the waste product which are produced as a result of metabolism process in the body. Here first is I am going to let you know about the respiratory waste product. Respiratory waste product, this is that type of waste products which are produced as a result of respiration process. It is produced as a result of oxidation of glucose in body cell. So these waste products are given here. I am writing the names. Example is like CO2 and water. CO2 and waters. CO2 and waters are the respiratory waste product. These waste products are produced as a result of breaking down of glucose, as a result of oxidation of glucose. So this CO2 and water, CO2 from body cell is taken to the lungs by means of blood, and from the lungs it is sent out of the body during expiration. So I was discussing about the respiratory waste product. Here respiratory waste products, as I said that once more I am repeating. So these respiratory waste products It is that type of waste products which are produced as a result of respiration. So this CO2 and water, this CO2 and water, it is sent to the lungs. It comes into the lungs. It comes into the lungs. Like here is it comes into the lungs. Okay, like in the form of this. This is the hemoglobin Hb plus CO2. Here it forms HbCO2, carbaminohemoglobin. Some of the CO2 combines with the hemoglobin and it forms a unstable compound HbCO2, carbaminohemoglobin. And some CO2 comes to the lungs in the form of carbonate, like sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate. Okay, and then from the lungs it is sent out of the body during exhalation in breathing. And water become the part of the rest of the water contained in the body. Some of the water also is eliminated through the kidney in the form of urine, and some is eliminated from our skin in the form of sweat through the sweat gland. So this is about the respiratory waste products. Now next is nitrogenous waste products. Nitrogenous waste products. This nitrogenous waste products are produced as a result of metabolism of this excess amino acids in liver that undergo deamination process. As a result of deamination process, that form ammonia, urea and uric acid. Here example is ammonia, urea and uric acid. Excess amino acid that undergo deamination process. As a result of deamination, that forms ammonia, urea and uric acid. So these are called nitrogenous waste product. These ammonia, urea, uric acid, these are sent to the kidney, and from the kidney these are excreted out of the body along with the urine. This is with regard to the nitrogen waste products. Now next is bile pigments. Next is bile pigments. Bile pigments, the hemoglobin in the dead RBC used to break down. Due to the breaking down of hemoglobin which is found in dead RBC, that forms bile pigment. Like bile pigments are like bilirubin, biliverdin and urochrome. Bilirubin, bilirubin, biliverdin, and urochrome. These are bile pigments: bilirubin, biliverdin, and urochrome. Three types are there. So these bile pigments are produced while hemoglobin of dead RBC used to break down. Bilirubin and biliverdin, these are sent to large intestine from the liver and excreted out of the body in the form of fecal matters. Along with the fecal matter, it is egested out of the body from the large intestine through the anus by the process of defecation or egestion. So that way these two waste products, bilirubin and biliverdin, their elimination occurs. Whereas this urochrome is concerned, this is sent to the kidney and this is eliminated out of the body from the kidney along with the urine. Because of the presence of this urochrome, urine color becomes light yellow. It imparts light yellow color to the urine. So this is with regard to this. Now next is water, NaCl, vitamins, these are also waste product. These we take this through the food. These are taken in our body through the food. While we take food, through that it comes in our body. Water, NaCl and vitamin. NaCl is excreted out of the body through the kidney along with the urine. And some NaCls, their elimination takes place from the skin through the sweat by means of sweat glands. And waters is sent to the kidney